Hi, in today's video, I'm going to cook pancit because my wife craved a pancit. Frying the tofu, frying the squid balls, slice the herbivore food, frying another protein with cornstarch. Ito your aromatic. Add your favorite soy sauce. Add oyster sauce. Add your mineral water. Drop your chicken bouillon. Look. Dropping the herbivore food. Drop the grass. Boil the noodle. Look at that. Now it's assembled. Can you believe it? I only spent roughly around $6 to $8 for this. And it's so full, oh.